In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to factory reset Ray-Ban Meta. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to perform a factory reset on your Ray-Ban Meta glasses. First, you can do this through the mobile app or without using the mobile app by manually doing a combination of buttons. I'm gonna showcase how to do it without the app because this is going to be the method that applies to everyone. So even if you don't have access to the Meta AI mobile app, you can still get it for factory reset. First of all, close the right arm. So this means that you should close down the right arm if it is currently open. You don't need to do this with both sides, only the right arm. So once it is closed like this, and it is retracted, next you're going to have to press the button to record 5 times. So press the capture button 5 times. You don't have to do this in quick succession, but just don't be too slow. So press this button 5 times. When you press this button 5 times, you will see that the LED will turn orange. Once the LED has turned orange, you can now press and hold the capture button until the LED starts flashing. So the same button, but this time you will be holding it instead. And when you hold this button, you will notice that the LED will start blinking between orange, white, and maybe other colors. This indicates that the factory reset is now in progress. When you see this, you can release the capture button and wait until it is complete. So like I said before, you can do this without using the mobile app. You close down the right arm, so make sure that it is not extended. You press the capture button 5 times, and then you press and hold this button once you see the orange LED appear. I hope I was able to help you on how to factory reset Ray-Ban Meta. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.